New at noon, detecting cancer early can be the difference between life and death. But COVID-19 has made it difficult for people to see a doctor. I spoke with a Colorado Springs breast cancer surgeon on what they have experienced during the pandemic. Take a listen.
Breast cancer, like many cancers, the earlier you find it, the easier it is to treat and the more likely you are to cure it.
Dr. Pomeranke has been able to conduct breast cancer surgery during the pandemic for patients with immediate needs. But as far as regular cancer screenings go,
We basically went 2 months without doing screening mammograms.
Do you think we will see a surge in cancer diagnosis when lockdowns are lifted?
I don't think that our screening programs were shut down long enough to see a big change that way.
according to breastcancer.org, over 42,000 women in the U.S. are expected to die from breast cancer in 2020. Early detection is key to treating and fighting the disease. That's why getting a yearly mammogram is so important.
We're really hoping that people don't just skip this year. Because we know that it's so important to find breast cancer early. By the time a woman feels a lump in her breast, it's been there for several years, and we would have probably seen that on a mammogram much earlier.
The same rule goes for any cancer screening. If you notice something out of the ordinary, you should go see a doctor.
Services are out there, so there's really no reason to neglect your care.
And when it comes to patients battling cancer right now,
A lot of fear about being immunosuppressed with chemotherapy, of course. We're trying to address those issues, but hopefully we'll be able to continue to take care of our patients, and assuming that we all, practice the recommendations, we're not going to see a resurgence of this and more closures.
it's important to note that a lot of cancer screenings have been moved to outpatient centers, so you don't have to go into the hospital. More information, as well as what to look out for when it comes to breast cancer, can be found on our website, krdo.com.